Welcome to JH. TreeGifted.com is the latest corner of the internet claiming you can snag a $500 gift card just by doing a few simple tasks. It sounds like a dream, but let's be real. A random website handing out free money is about as likely as a unicorn showing up to do your laundry. I checked their domain on WHOS, and it turns out the site was registered in March 2025. It's so new it practically still has that freshly coated smell, having not even survived a single trip around the sun yet. While being new isn't necessarily a crime, having zero history is basically the digital equivalent of a guy in a trench coat selling genuine Rolexes in a dark alley. Then there's the contact information, or rather, the complete lack of it. There is no email, no phone number, and definitely no live chat. If you run into a problem, your only option is to scream into the void and hope the void has a customer service department. Any website that provides zero ways to reach a human being is basically shouting that it doesn't want to be found. Things get even weirder when you actually try to use the site, as it immediately redirects you to something called uplevelrewards.com. This kind of bait and switch is about as trustworthy as a gas station sushi platter and is usually just a cheap trick to harvest your data. The main hook involves downloading apps or signing up for free trials to earn that big reward. It sounds easy enough, but these deals often hide sneaky fees and recurring charges that will haunt your credit card statement. You're essentially trading your privacy and your time for a gift card that likely doesn't even exist. I also hunted for reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, and the results were a resounding silence. It's almost impressive how they've managed to exist without leaving a single footprint, much like a ghost or a politician's integrity. In short, TreeGifted.com is a suspicious mess of red flags. Between the brand new domain, the lack of support, and the sketchy redirects, you're better off looking for gold at the end of a literal rainbow. My advice is to stay safe and keep your personal info to yourself instead of feeding it to these data-grabbing traps. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful and want to keep your digital life scam-free, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.